Once you've been invited to one of our Division Google Classrooms, you just need to accept the invite, and then it will open up showing you that Google Classroom. On the stream, you'll find a helpful post that shows you how you can reuse the posts from within this Google Classroom or copy the whole thing to use in Google Classroom with your own students. Don't add your students to this classroom. Make sure that you're using one of your own. Over on the classwork page, you can see all of the digital breakouts that we have posted as materials. We've divided them into some topics to help sort them for you. If you click on one, you can see what is attached. There is a Breakout Edu link to the live platform, as well as a teacher answer key. Some of these are PDFs and some are Google Docs. If you right click on the Breakout link and get this little menu, you can choose to copy the link address that you can post anywhere you like to share with your students. And then here is just what one of those answer keys looks like. So there's the story explanation at the top, the solutions for the combinations for the locks, as well as an explanation. Let's have a look at one of the live games and just give you a tour of how those work. So the first page pops up and it gives us the storyline that is also printed at the top of the teacher guide. You can see this one has 4 different locks or problems that we'll need to solve. And then you will see they have an immersive reader button that opens up the text in an immersive reader where we can have
Allie,
it play.
Pat, Ira, and Ursula are enjoying a day on the beach.
They have a few other menu options within here also to help with that. And then the little back arrow takes us back. I'll click on Start Game and this opens the first problem. So I'm going to use the information in the little text box on the left in addition to the information in the graphics on the right to figure out what the combination for this lock is supposed to be. So I can see the word little is emphasized. I'm going to presume that means I want to sort these from smallest to biggest. Let's see if that works. I'm just going to punch now the numbers in order from the smallest wavelengths to the biggest wavelengths. And it turned green. I've unlocked the lock, successful. We have moved on to the next lock and problem to solve. So each breakout game has a different amount of locks. Some of them allow you to go to the locks individually. You can always pop things up bigger so that text make it take the full screen. So if you're doing this at the front of the room for your whole class, you want to draw everybody's attention to that at once, you can pop that out. You can do the same thing with the graphic, which this definitely makes the text a little bit easier to read on some of these if we're doing this in projection or even on the small screens of the Chromebooks. If you get stuck, you can go ahead and click on the next lock. Keep in mind, some of the games don't allow you to skip past a lock until you've solved the one you're on.